After 4 years of investigation, the Central Bureau of Investigation, the CBI, has finally concluded its probe into the tragic death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput. The agency's closure report finds no evidence that Sushant was illegally confined, threatened, or abetted to commit suicide by Rhea Chakrabarti or anyone else. According to officials familiar with the findings, the CBI also found no proof that Rhea embezzled Sushant's money or possessions. In fact, the report notes that Sushant referred to Rhea as family. The report, accessed by the media, stated, none of the accused persons had lived or stayed with him between 8 June 2020 and 14 June 2020, the day he was found hanging in his Bandra flat. It further mentions that while Sushant spoke to Rhea's brother, Shovik Chakrabarti, over WhatsApp on 10 June, there was no contact with Rhea during that time. His sister, Meetu Singh, stayed with him from 8 June to 12 June, just days before his death. But Sushant's family has reacted sharply, calling the CBI's report incomplete and misleading. Their lawyer, Advocate Varun Singh, said, "This is nothing but an eyewash. If CBI really wanted to come out with the truth, it would have submitted all the supporting case documents including chats, technical records, statements of witnesses, medical records, etc. We will file a protest petition against this closure report, which is based on a shoddy investigation." The report dismisses claims of coercion and embezzlement, adding that when Rhea and her brother left on 8 June, they took only personal belongings, an Apple laptop and watch gifted by Sushant. The CBI also concluded that Sushant's finances were managed by his accountant and lawyer, and all expenses related to Rhea, including their 2019 Europe trip, were legitimate and voluntary. Calling the report flimsy, lawyer Varun Singh added, "Simply saying Sushant's account has not been used to take out funds is not enough. CBI should have provided the bank statement to back its claim." The case that shook the nation is far from over. The next hearing is set for 20th December when a Patna court reviews the closure report. Sushant's family says they won't give up. Their fight for justice continues.